Hello?
Hello. I had a email or I had like a
Yes.
message.
Yes.
I don't really know what it's about. I'm not too sure. Like who it
Like
was.
this call is about you. Yes. This call is about you regarding your money back which you made a payment for your computer services and maintenance, sir. So I
Okay.
do believe
Okay.
you remember. So I do believe you remember like how much money do you pay for your computer security and maintenance? Do you remember that?
Um. I honestly don't remember. No, I'm not too sure.
Okay,
I'm
just
not.
let me check in our database.
I'm not very good with my money.
Hold on. Okay. So I do believe you have a same computer in your house before we are providing you the antivirus software onto your computer, sir.
Yeah, I've got a PC. Yeah, I've got my computer.
Okay. Can you do one thing, sir? Can you just go ahead and sit next to your computer, like try to turn it on? And we are showing up the receipt when you make a payment for your computer services and maintenance. And you know like how much do you pay for your computer maintenance, okay? So once your computer is on, just let me know.
Yes, I can just. Just got back from work, so you have to give me 2 seconds. Let me just turn it on,
Okay.
and I shall be with you.
Okay, I'll be with you, sir.
Cool, cool. Right, it's just booting up.
Okay, once your computer is completely on, just let me know.
Yes. Da-da-da-da-da. Nearly there. Come on, it's so slow.
Okay. It is your laptop or it is your desktop? What you have?
It's a desktop. It's actually on the floor, but yeah, it's a desktop. Right.
Your desktop. How old are your desktop?
It's about a year old, I think.
4 years old. Alright.
About a year,
No,
yeah.
no.
I just need to look. Just
Okay.
put my password in a minute.
Okay, you put a password.
Oh, there we go. Let's take us 2 seconds. It's not the quickest computer in the world. I did buy it like mainly for gaming, but I tried to build it myself, but I didn't do a very good job, so it was quite slow. But right, yeah, it's turned on now.
Okay, now do you see your all icons on your computer screen?
Yeah, I got my Google Chrome and my Steam and my little folder. I collect ants, so I've got a folder for ants.
Okay.
Oh, it's
Can you
updating
see
Steam.
your icons? Okay, can you see your icons, the documents it says my support, my computer, my technicians? Do you see any documents on your computer screen?
Oh, hang on, let me just close that. Something else has just opened up. Sorry, hang on. Let me just get that closed. I got AVG on my screen. That's all I've got. I can see on my screen. It's a bit. There's so much stuff on it. I don't know what half of it is.
Okay. Okay, I understand that. Can you do one thing? Can you just try to open up your Google Chrome?
Yes, Google Chrome. Accessing internet. Yes, it's open. Oh, hang on. Something else is open. There we go. There we go. It's open.
Okay, like your Google Chrome is up?
Yes.
Okay, now just look at the very top of your Google Chrome page.
Yes.
Do you see the white long address bar whether you can type something?
It says HTTPS, the 2 dots with the forward lines, and then it says www.google.com.
Just erase the google.com. Just erase that.
Yep.
Okay, did you erase the google.com?
Yes. I can put. It's got the flashing line, so I can write something in there now.
Okay. Now I tell you the new word, new command.
Yep.
Just type it over there.
Yes.
www
dot
I as in Indiana.
Yes.
S as in sugar.
S as in sugar. Yes.
L as in Linda.
Linda. Yes.
online.com. ONLINE.com.
online.com. So that would be
com.
that's www.islonline.com.
Yes, right.
Cool. And shall I press enter?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Well, my hands are so sweaty from work. It's horrible. Oh, what's this? ISL online. Be efficient. Support remotely. Okay. Sign up. Do I need to sign
Now
up?
No. Just look at the very top at the right hand side.
Yes.
Do you see any join a session?
There's join and menu. Yes.
Give a click on join a session.
Join a session. Yes. Oh.
Okay.
Hang on, my computer's.
The next, what came up?
Yeah, there we go. My mouse is crashing out. There we go. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, it's back. No, my computer's just a little bit slow, so it freezes every now and again. But yeah, I got enter session code and join. There's some numbers at the bottom and it says contact us.
Okay. I tell you your session code.
Okay.
1248.
1 2 4 8
8 4498.
4498. Yes.
Now, do you see the below? It says green color join.
Yes.
Just hit join.
Join. Okay.
When you hit join, at the next, what came up?
It says, thank you for downloading. Please run the downloaded application to connect with operators. If your download didn't start, click here. But yeah, I think it's downloaded. Shall I click on the thing at the bottom to load it up?
No, just see. Okay, just look at your computer screen, and do you see the below? It says ISL light to beginning.
Yeah, there's like a square box sort of thing, or rectangle box in the left bottom. Yeah. Big arrow pointing down to it saying click to begin. Shall I click on it?
No.
No.
And
Okay.
the below, client 1248.exe.
Yeah.
Client 1248.exe. Give a click on that, sir.
Yes, it's download. Oh, what's this?
It's
ISL.
downloaded.
Yes.
Now, do you see any options? Say yes. Do you get any options? Say yes. Do you see that?
What's this? It says, do you want to allow this app to make changes? ISL light start verify blah
Give
blah
a
blah.
click on yes.
Yes. Okay.
Give a click on yes. Once you give a click on yes, you will get connected to me. So just leave your mouse as it is.
Okay.
Then I want to make a secure connections on your computer. Then I want to show you like how do you get your money back, sir. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So first of all, I just want to make a secure connections.
Oh, is that you making it move?
Yes, sir.
Oh, look at that. That's like magic. It's like stuff you see on TV, isn't it? That's cool. Super drug. Ooh. What are we buying? Super drug? You're in? Ooh, super.
No, we are not buying any drugs or something.
I was gonna say, we don't want to do that on my computer. That's naughty.
Yeah.
Very naughty.
Okay.
What's this? Supremo. Okay.
Okay. Yes. So when we are secure connections, so I give you a form. You just need to fill it up, and I just need to know like how do you get your money back. Okay.
Okay.
So it is your 4 years old computer, correct?
No, not 4. About maybe 1 and a half.
1.5.
Maybe that. It was sometime last year. I think I got it.
Okay, I got it. So it is your 1.5 years computer, right, sir?
I think it's about that. I reckon so. Yeah.
Okay, I got it. So I just want to read your Supremo ID.
Okay. What's this?
So the ID which you have 288 688 391, right?
288. Yes. Yeah. Oh, you can see it, can't you? So it doesn't matter.
8x. What is the password? Do you see?
It's 8x77R3.
R3,
R for
right?
Romeo and
R
3.
Okay, I got it. Now you are get connected to me securely. So I just opening up your notepad and why do why
Notepad.
Skype. Hold on for a second.
Okay.
So I just typed the notepad over there.
No. Ah, the lines flashing. Have you typed? I can't see any writing on the screen. Have you typed anything?
No, I'm telling you. You just type the.
Oh, you want me to type notepad?
Oh.
Okay.
Hold on.
So I didn't realise you wanted me to do it. I thought you were doing it. That's sorry. I got this. Notepad. Sorry, notepad. So I click on it.
Yeah. You just click on it.
Okay.
So the new notepad came up.
Yeah, it says untitled notepad.
Fuck yeah. Hold on. Fuck. Are you there?
Yes. Did you want me to write something? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm talking to my manager. Can you just hold on for
sorry. Have I got time to go and get a quick drink? Can I get a quick cup of water while you're talking? Is that okay or?
Okay. Talking to my manager. That's why you're not listening up. Can you just hold on for a second? I just want to make a secure first.
Okay.
Because we are logging our bank account onto your computer. That's why, sir, we are just make a secure connections on your computer.
Okay.
Can you just hold on for a second?
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm calling you from a better line.
Yes.
I'm calling you in the better. Just hold on. It is your cell phone. It is your home phone.
This. Do you want my home phone number? Do you? I can give you my home phone number.
Okay, hold on. You have your cell phone number with you. Then I'm calling you right now on your cell phone.
I can give you.
You have your cell phone number.
No, my cell phone's dead, but I can give you my house number, my landline, if you want.
So right now I'm talking to your home phone, right? It is your landline.
Yes, I think so. Yeah, I guess.
What?
You can call me.
Can you try to switch on your cell? Can you just try to switch on your cell phone?
Can I on my cell phone? Can I describe what on my cell phone?
Okay.
I don't know I don't understand what you're saying. So I can give you my number if you need my number if you want to call me back.
Okay, hold on.
Ah, you're writing stuff. Okay. Ah, you want me to write my details?
No. It is a verification purpose. That's why.
Okay.
Okay, can you just fill out your information? Do it for yourself. Your
Yes.
full name, your cell phone number, and your home number, and your refund amount.
Yes.
Just put it yourself.
Okay. Oh. So we want to write my name.
Jack.
Yes. Right, and my number, I'm gonna have to look. I'm gonna have to find where that is. Right, my home number is. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. Never mind. So we got.
Put it over there.
01. What is it? 01. 454 015. My cell phone number. I'm gonna have to charge my phone up.
Just put it.
My cell phone's.
Just put it yourself. Yes.
I don't know what my cell phone number is. I'd have to charge it up quickly. Like I need to go upstairs and get my charger and.
Okay.
No problem. Any other computer you have? Then ask your mother about your password, okay? After that, I can.
सेल फोन नंबर होम नंबर नोट हो दिया है 0 डाल के 01 डाल के
Hello?
0 लेके जा
Hello?
Yes sir, I'm here.
I think I might have left my charger at work. I can't see it. If you can give me 5 more minutes, well, not 5 minutes, but if you can wait for just another minute, I can have a proper look. But I can't see it. I might have left it at work, but I can have another look. If you got a minute, if you can just wait for 1 minute.
Okay.
Is that okay? Do you want me to have another look? I can try and find it. But I think I might have left it at work because I was rushing around. It's so busy at work today. I forgot. I think I might have left my charger at work, which is a bit of a shit.
Okay. So you have any appointment?
Pardon?
Do you have any appointment?
Appointment? What, today?
Yes.
No. I mean, when I was at work, I was really busy at work. I take my phone charger to work because my battery dies very fast when I listen to music. So I take my phone charger to work, and I left because I was so busy. I just got my stuff and I left, but I forgot to pick up my phone charger, I think.
Okay.
I don't really use my mobile at work much, so
Okay.
just for at work really. I'm always on my computer when I'm at home.
That's all. What? Hello?
Hello?
Yes sir, can you hear me properly?
Yeah, I can hear you fine. Yeah, absolutely fine. I'm just making it. I'm just gonna make a quick
So
cigarette.
right now what we have to do, sir.
Yes.
So we are just sending you the money to you, sir.
Okay.
So you remember that the refund amount. So we are sending you the money, our business bank account, to your account.
Okay.
So I do believe you do online with your computer before.
Yes.
You do check your statement online before.
Yeah, I do sometimes, but I don't. That's why I'm bad with money, so I don't always check how much money I've got, and I keep spending, and then I spend a little bit too much, and then I can't afford to pay my rent, and then I've got to wait, and yeah, I'm a bit naughty like that, you see.
Okay. Can you just put your bank's name on the Google Meet?
My bank, yes, I can do that. How do we spell it? Oh, you already done it, fair play. Right, it's Ritz. I don't know if it's 1 T or 2 T's. There we go. It's 2 N's. I didn't even know that. There you go. Britannia.
It is your bank name?
Yes. Right. It's like a what do they call it? Like a savings account, or I'm not too sure what they call it. I can't remember. I very rarely go to my bank. They're always trying to get hold of me because I owe money and stuff, but I don't like to answer. You know, you probably know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Kind of trying to avoid paying some bills and spending money on luxuries instead of paying necessities. It's a bit naughty, but I think I have a spending addiction. That's the problem. So how much am I? You see, I've got a refund. How much?
Like a $500. Do you see your computer screen right now?
Yeah.
The connection is secure. Your information, for example, password or credit card numbers will be private with the same to this site.
Yes.
So whatever information you would be typing onto your computer to come up to the private, like a bunch of X's or dots. I just type it in my online ID. So what you can see on your box, your user ID box, what do you see?
X's.
Yes. At the same way, whatever you can type onto your side is a bunch of X's or dots coming up.
Okay.
So what it says? It says like user ID box. You just put your user ID.
Oh, you want me to type? Okay, yeah, I could type that in. That's cool.
No, you type it yourself and don't mumble anything.
Okay. Hang on, I need to find what it is now. Hang on. I thought it was my name, but I don't think that's right. It might just be something else. Hang on. So it is.
Hello, hi, how are you? Are you free now?
That's not right, is it? Hang on. That's wrong. There we go.
Now just hit login.
No, that's wrong. I will try again.
Please re-enter the following.
Hang on, I'll try again. Let me try
Now
again.
you put your correct user ID.
Yes, I will. Hang on.
Put your ID.
That number you are not picking up the phone. So I was calling you again. Why aren't you picking up the call?
Ah.
That number, ma'am?
Hang on.
Alright, hello?
Hello?
Okay, don't do anything, sir.
Okay.
Don't do anything. So, you don't do online banking with this computer?
I normally do it on my phone. It's all
Okay.
normally logged in and stuff, so I don't normally have to type anything.
Okay. What do you see your screen?
I just see my screen. I see my my desktop, I suppose.
You see your desktop screen?
Yeah, I just see I just see my icons and like the bottom bar where it says search and the windows and the time and the date.
Okay. Now what do you see?
All the I don't know what they're called, like the apps, I suppose, and all the little squares and things like that.
Okay. So you don't need the money?
Pardon?
So you want the money or not?
Yeah, I like money. Money's very good. I have very little of it.
But you put a wrong information onto your computer because you put the London bank and you don't know what is your bank name was.
No, I just kept on getting it wrong. You didn't give me a chance to try again. I could try again.
Okay.
I'm not very good.
Okay,
At, I'm not very good at typing. See.
Okay. You can put your bank name.
Again?
Do you have any credit card? Do you have any
No, I
credit
can't.
card?
I can't have credit cards. My credit rating's not very good. See, they laugh at me when I ask for a phone contract. Literally, they actually laugh at me. It's not good.
How old are you, sir?
I'm 36. But I've had debts since when I first turned 18. I got a credit card and loans and when I was 18, and I never paid them off. And that's nearly 20 years ago, and I still haven't paid any of it off. So they won't give me anything on credit.
Hello?
Hello?
Okay, just put the bank name of your address bar.
I've done that already.
What is your bank's name?
It's called Britannia. It's very loud in your background. It's quite noisy, isn't it? I can't really hear you very well. It's quite difficult to. I think all your friends are shouting too loud. They must be very excited.
Okay, do you do online banking?
Yeah. Sometimes I buy stuff on the internet. If that's what you mean, like I
Okay,
I buy
so you just simply logged in your bank. Okay, I am logged in my bank in your computer. Okay, then you just simply log in your bank. Then we are simply refunding the money, our bank to your bank.
Yes. Where's it? It's down. Oh, if I just type in up here then, because it's not coming up straight away. Maybe be better that way. It's telling me where they are. I don't want to know where they are. Is this the right address? Ah, that's the one. No. Cooperative. Is it this one? Britannia. It must be this one. Is it? Oh no, that's cooperative. Hang on. What's going on? Is that it there? Oh, there we go. No, that's what? This is not right. It says Britannia, then it takes me somewhere else. What's going on? There it is. Is that the right one? Is that it? Hey, look at that. But you're watching my screen, so if I type in my password and stuff, you're going to know what my password is, and that's not very secure. That's not...
Yes, so your password is secure, okay? You just put the password, so I saw X. Do you see your ID?
No, I've seen that you typed a couple of 8s before you put them X's in though, so that's... You know, I feel a little concerned that... Because you... I seen you put 2 8s or something, and that's not... If I type I don't know what my ID password is, that's not safe. I've been told by my bank specifically not... I know you're from like a big company. You fucker.